Assalamu alaikum. How are you everyone? Now I want to share two important points for learning English. Number 1, practice English every day and everywhere, even for a short time. Regular practice English you will help improve quickly. Number 2, try to think in English before doing or saying in English. I believe that this will improve your speaking and fluency. At the 11th hour, I want to say again, when you thinking in English, when you doing in English, speak in English, or that type of work. And most important things, believe in yourself. That time you will succeed in this journey.